Hello everybody, I'm back again. So I am here today to share my wonderful April box that arrived from Your Creative Studio. So I'm excited. I've had it for a couple of days and things just kept popping up, but today I said I have to. It's hard to just have goodies there and not know what's in there, you know what I mean? So let's dive in there. Just want to say hello. I hope everybody's doing well. I'm doing awesome because I'm getting ready to check this out. Again, this is her card from Your Creative Studio. So cute. Put that aside over there, and it didn't go too well this time, but that's okay. And let's see what's in here, guys. This was catching my eye right away. It's washi tape, and let's open it to see it better. Okay, that one looks a little, or feels a little stronger than me. Put this trash over there. And this is, oh how cute, they're little stamps, but they're, where's the end, where's the end, where's the end? They're like little, where are you, where are you? Okay, this one has no end. Oh, there it is. There it is, and then I have no nails. I didn't do that too well. There we go, we got, look at that, they're little stamps and they're perforated already for you. I don't want to pull it too hard, I feel like they're gonna come apart. And I'm not doing it right, look at that. But look how cute. Why are you getting stuck on me, why? I don't think I pulled it correctly. Okay, I think I got it now. Put you aside over there real quick. Make sure it doesn't do that again. But you get a lot. And yeah, I'm struggling with this one. It's not cooperating with me. I think it's the edges here that it's more pressed in, and that's why it's getting stuck. So I have to be careful, but it's got little perfume bottles and flowers, but that's cute. So yeah, I gotta mess with this because those are really cute. Next we have, hold on, did I check I was in frame? Yes, I am. Next we have, these are a wooden stamp. Again, we gotta save our little envelopes. Look how cute. I hope you guys could see that. It's like I want to say a vase or a water can, but roses, that's so cute. Okay, we gotta try that. Put that right there. I love stamps. Another wooden stamp. Let's just I don't know. Stamps are awesome. I've bought some, but I haven't even played with them. I don't know. I'm addicted to DigiKits. I'm addicted to stamps. Stamp sets, I should say. And this is, oh, how cute is that, guys? Look at that. That's beautiful. Oh my goodness. Yep, we gotta play with these. Oh, I see another stamp set. Hold on. Oh, look at that. It comes in its own little baggie. Gardening tools. And there's your water can, your gloves, a couple of words there, your little hat, and your little, I guess, weed cutters. How cute is that, guys? Oh, that's so adorable. I love it. And I love this. I should get a case like this for all my stamps. Wouldn't it be awesome to just go fill through? Oh, I need this one. Not mine. Move you. Move you. That's so cute. And then, let's see. They also gave us some stamps here. And let's pull them out and just check them out real quick. Okay, you can use a little paper for a little journaling card. Just cover the back. Look at that, guys. For collaging, you cannot go wrong with these. They're so cute. Look at that. Roses. I've been doing some embellishments. You know what? I'm gonna leave these out because these are already, look at the sunflowers, so pretty, because these are already cut up and everything for you. Look at the roses. Oh, being roses. Yeah, we're leaving these out here because those will definitely come in handy. And what is this? This says brushes of flowers. Oh, branches? Brushes? Branches. Ay, son of a gun. Forgive me, forgive me. Take that off. How cute are those? Oh, push you back a little bit. Look at that. How pretty is that, guys? Oh, gotta put you over here so you don't get lost or broken. And then in here, you got, I guess I can pick these up now. These are vellum pieces. How cute are those, guys? Look at that little, like a lace trim there, some flowers, some little oval ones. Can't put you down. Oh, and this one too. It's just all little different bits and pieces. Where'd you go? Look at that. And then these are just regular paper. They look like small little coasters. Look at that. So adorable. They're just so like cute. That's what I like about her stuff. It's just cutesy, you know. It's, this will go good with anything. Look, and then you got some pink here. Look at that. Very pretty. Look at the roses, or the rose I should say. And then what is this? Just pick the rose of life today. So cute. Oh, look at this one. You get two of each. That's so cute. Flower Library, 1941. So cute, guys. So you have so much to play with in this kit. I'm really liking this kit because it's, you know, floral gardening. That's so cute. I didn't leave any pieces there. Excuse me. Then you get some stickers here, and these are little leaves. So cute. I'm trying to show you and I'm trying to see them. Sorry, guys. Really cute. We'll put you right here. Aw, look at this. Gardening stickers. So, so cute. Love the boots. Oh, a little gnome. Look at that. So cute. Sorry, guys. Let me take a sip of my coffee to clear my throat. I hate my allergies. That's all I can say. And these are oh, they're stuck together. I mean, they're stuck to the. They're sticky notes, Patty. Read. Look at how cute. Aww. Just grab your glue stick and put them down. That's so cute. Oh. Okay. Put these away. So adorable. And then there's die cuts. Look at that. They're paper ephemera. How cute. Oh. I don't want to open it, but I want to open it. They're like a chipboard. Oh, cute. Look at that. These are definitely good to decorating my book page pockets. Look at that. Oh, these are gonna have to stay out too. Look at that. Can make cute little what do you call them? Look at that. Clusters, I guess, is collaging. You could do so much with these, but yeah, look at that. They're so adorable. Oh, and I didn't pull them all out because we'll be here every day examining every little bit. But oh, look, you even get little bugs. So, so cute. Yeah. And then this one is ephemera paper. Look at that. Oh, we have to take these out because they're cute. Let's see. Oh, these are Vellum. No, not this one. Look at that. Oh my goodness. A cute journaling card right here. Just add your little label. So, so cute. Work is done for you. Oh, look at the gnome. Look at that, guys. Okay, let me do like that so it doesn't get mixed up. So there's, I think it's half paper and half vellum. Look at that. I love that. Oh, little snail. Oh, 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 oh. Look at that. Beautiful paper. Look at, oh my goodness. We need to do a gardening journal. Ah! See, and then you get them in vellum. You get one of each on those. But look how pretty. Oh my goodness. Look at the cute little gnome. So yeah. You know what? I haven't played with vellum in a long time. Look at that. I need to leave these out too and play with that. Vellum looks so, so pretty. That's so cute. That's my favorite. Okay, put you down. Open this up. I'm trying to put everything in order, guys, so I don't misplace things. I don't want these things to get lost. They're so cute. Okay, put you right there. Sorry, guys. Freaking allergies. Okay, so I think that's it. I'll save my pretty paper. Put it way on the bottom. And what is this? This is, oh, right here. It's like tissue paper. Ay, Joey. I have them outside. Look how pretty. So yeah, this is like a tissue paper. You can see my hands. That's so cute. I love the colors. Really pretty. So that's it, guys. This is all my goodies. Sorry, these are all the goodies that were in here. They're just so cute. Oh, I love these boxes. These boxes just make my day. That's all I could say. It just awesome. What did I do? Oh, never mind. I just saw it. I love that little flower there. Which it had an opening. You know, I did not have to cut it, but you know, when you get excited and you want to see something fast, you just tear through it. Please forgive me for my Joey. He's in the patio and he barks at the world. He means well. He just wants to be heard. There you go. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys take care. God bless. Bye.